of the meeting transcript and insight page that will be generated and sent to your email when the conversation stops. Let's get started. You can find the example of the meeting summary page by going to the documentation page and clicking sample output. Here is the meeting summary page. At the top, this is the header of your summary page that contains the meeting information such as meeting title, the date, time, and duration of the meeting. The attendees includes the name of the speaker and the email ID of the speaker that has participated in the conversation. Summary topics are the most discussed topics from the meeting, listed in the order of importance. Summary topics are not detected based on the frequency of their occurrence. Instead, they are detected contextually. You can click on any topic to scroll to the relevant transcript. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to do the same thing. And on the left, you can see the full transcription of the meeting. And on the right, you can see the insights sections. You can filter the insights based on the insights type that you want to see. In this example, I want to see action item and I want to see ideas. You can click on any specific transcript to edit the text or the speaker information. I think that is the best idea. And you can click save, it will save the latest transcription. You can do the same on the insight text that are available on the insight sections. You can edit and save accordingly. You can click on each insight and it will show the respective transcript so that you can have a better understanding of the topic. In this example, we can see Kunal is the speaker that has mentioned the hackathon idea, and Surbi is the speaker that assigned this action item to Vikram or to Kunal. And you can change the speaker information by clicking on it and change it. And you can also change the assignee that is responsible to the action item. In this example, I want to change it from Kunal to Vikram. There's also a calendar option on the right, which is the due date. You can change the due date from one date to another, March 25th to March 26th, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. You can copy all the transcript and you can copy all the insights. Or you can copy each transcript and share it individually. Finally, you can share the whole meeting page using the share button, and you can share it via email directly, and you can just copy the link and send it to your colleague and participant of the meeting. For more customization, you can read our documentation. Let's go there. You can fine-tune the existing summary page by changing the values of the query parameters available. Go to tuning your summary page. Some of the example use cases is you can change the minimum confidence level score used to generate the insights. A lower score will generate more insights. You can also enable or disable assignee, calendar, insight title, and topic itself. If you want, you can order the topics differently, either by score or position of the topics in the transcript. For each meeting summary page, there will be a conversation ID generated. You can use this conversation ID in conjunction with our conversation API. You can use this conversation API and use the GET request features to request all the data in JSON format. A good use case for this is you can put your own completely customized user interface. Besides Voice SDK and Voice API, you can generate the meeting summary page that we showed earlier using the meeting insight flow. Go to sample flow and click on meeting insight flow to learn more about this. It is super quick and you can integrate our service with multiple meeting platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, and other common meeting platforms. I hope this is helpful and thank you for watching.